Switch on the instrument. Warm up the instrument for 10 minutes. Take 3 numbers of buffer solution. These are the 4.0, the 7.0 and the 9.2. First wash the peak and temperature probe, then clean. Then calibrate the instrument by the 4.0 butter solution. After calibration by 4.0 buffer, calibrate by the 7.0 buffer solutions. After calibrated by 7.0 butter, again calibrate by 9.2 buffer. Then analysis, the p-value of water sample. After completing the analysis, exit the analyzer, then switch off the instrument. Thank you for watching.